Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. Cannot delete the detection history of the Windows Defender. So how to delete history? Open Manager. Open this PC. C drive open. Click to 3 tab. Option. View. Show all hidden files, folder and drive. Apply OK. Then program data. Open Microsoft Windows Defender. Scan. Open this. If you receive this error, you can't complete the permission to access. So first right click to option and then properties, security, advanced, continue. So double click, continue, security tab click, advanced, change, audit, add type EVE, check names means everyone, then OK, then full permissions and then OK, then apply and click to continue. So it's not, so right click to delete it, it is automatically create and again. If not open and not deleting, so guys, you log in your administrator user and then delete it. Okay, thank you. Go to this folder and then history and services to all delete. Thank you.